Hello everybody, welcome to this tutorial. I'm going to show you how to fix Discord sound problem. Easy and quick. Go first and open your settings of your device, open your apps option, search for Discord and open it. Come right now, open your storage, click here on clear cache and go back. Click here on force stop and click OK. Now guys, you have to come to your Play Store or App Store and update your Discord on the last version if it is available. Right now restart your phone and after that you're gonna see that your problem has been solved. That's all. Don't forget to like and subscribe and bye.